Think you know the most important Spanish verbs? Today, you'll learn and test yourself with 100 essential everyday verbs in Spanish. Count how many you get right, share your score in the comments, and let's begin. How do you say run? Correr. How do you say walk? Caminar. How do you say jump? Saltar. How do you say sit? Sentarse. How do you say stand? Pararse. How do you say eat? Comer. How do you say drink? Beber. How do you say sleep? Dormir. How do you say wake? Despertarse. How do you say read? Leer. How do you say write? Escribir. How do you say speak? Hablar. How do you say listen? Escuchar. How do you say look? Mirar. How do you say see? Ver. How do you say hear? Oír. How do you say smile? Sonreír. How do you say laugh? Reír. How do you say cry? Llorar. How do you say cook? Cocinar. How do you say wash? Lavar. How do you say clean? Limpiar. How do you say sweep? Barrer. How do you say open? Abrir. How do you say close? Cerrar. How do you say push? Empujar. How do you say pull? Jalar. How do you say lift? Levantar. How do you say carry?
Cargar. How do you say throw? Lanzar. How do you say catch? Atrapar. How do you say kick? Patear. How do you say hit? Golpear. How do you say clap? Aplaudir. How do you say point? Señalar. How do you say touch? Tocar. How do you say hold? Sostener. How do you say give? Dar. How do you say take? Tomar. How do you say buy? Comprar. How do you say pay? Pagar. How do you say drive? Conducir. How do you say ride? Montar. How do you say swim? Nadar. How do you say dance? Bailar. How do you say sing? Cantar. How do you say play? Jugar. How do you say work? Trabajar. How do you say study? Estudiar. How do you say teach? Enseñar. How do you say learn? Aprender. How do you say draw? Dibujar. How do you say paint? Pintar. How do you say cut? Cortar. How do you say build? Construir. How do you say fix? Arreglar. How do you say call? Llamar. How do you say text? Mensajear. How do you say ask? Preguntar. How do you say answer? Responder. How do you say help? Ayudar. How do you say show? Mostrar. How do you say find? Encontrar. How do you say search? Buscar. How do you say choose? Elegir. How do you say count? Contar. How do you say wait? Esperar. How do you say stop? Parar. How do you say start? Empezar. How do you say turn? Girar. How do you say enter? Entrar. How do you say leave? Salir. How do you say come? Venir. How do you say go? Ir. How do you say climb? Subir. How do you say fall? Caer. How do you say pick? Recoger. How do you say drop? Soltar. How do you say put? Poner. How do you say move? Mover. How do you say shake? Sacudir. How do you say wave? Saludar. How do you say brush? Cepillar. How do you say comb? Peinar. How do you say dress? Vestirse. How do you say shower? Ducharse. How do you say exercise? Ejercitarse. How do you say stretch? Estirarse. How do you say bend?
Doblarse.
How do you say plant?
Plantar.
How do you say water?
Pregar.
How do you say dig?
Cavar.
How do you say feed?
Alimentar.
How do you say pet?
Acariciar.
How do you say smell?
Oler.
How do you say taste?
Probar.
How do you say bite?
Morder.
How do you say chew?
Masticar.
How do you say pour?
Verter.
How do you say mix?
Mezclar.